It's time for our Tagalog WOTD mudra. Let's make another one for another week. Our Tagalog word is puwing. Puwing. It just came to mind kanina when we were picking. The word puwing came to my mind, so why not make it? What is puwing? That's our Tagalog WOTD. Puwing has no exact English equivalent. Walang eksaktong equivalent na English word ang salitang puwing. Puwing is the Tagalog word to mean like a foreign object in your eye. In English we say, there's something in my eye. You know, if you get something in your eye. In Tagalog we say, napuwing ako or may puwing ako. There's something in my eye. Napuwing ako. Napuwing ka ba? You were picking like calamansi up there kanina? Hindi ka napuwing?
Hindi.
That's good.
Because
Hindi. Because what? Because you're wearing your eyeglasses? Well, I'm being careful. That's why hindi ako napuwing. So, are we done? Tapos na tayo.
Yep.
So, that's all for our Tagalog WOTD. We're going down. There's still a lot of lemons, Mama.
Yep.
We still have time.
Tingnan mo ito.
May oras pa tayo. We still have time.